Here are the tools and hardware needed to complete the installation. Here are the final images of the product after installation. Prior to preparing the installation area, you will need to remove the front leaflet of the locker unit. Step 1. Prepare the installation area. You will need your template, a marker, a leveler, and a tape measure. Once you've identified the location of where you'd like the unit, use the template, leveler, and marker provided to identify the drill holes on the wall. We recommend placing the top of the unit using your template at 64 inches off the ground. If installing on red brick or stone, it's important to make sure your drill hole locations are as central to each brick or stone as possible. Avoid making any drill holes near edges or in the grout. It's important to make sure your template remains level while you're marking your drill hole locations. Step 2. Drilling holes. You will need your drill or impact driver and your 5/16 concrete drill bit. Locate your 4 drill marks and begin making your drill holes. For step 3, you will need your concrete anchors and a ballpoint hammer. Insert the concrete anchors into the 4 drill holes. Then secure the concrete anchors by tapping them into place with your ballpoint hammer. Step 4. Mounting your locker unit. You will need anchor screws, washers, your impact driver or drill, a bit sleeve, and an extension sleeve. Place the 4 washers on the 4 anchor screws. It is highly recommended that 2 people are used to complete the mounting of the locker unit. Using 2 personnel, person 1 holds and supports the locker unit up to the wall, while person 2 begins to insert and secure the anchor screws with washer into each hole. Step 5, you will need your leveler. Once locker unit has been mounted securely, be sure to check that the unit is level. Finally, step 6, reinsert key leaf.